Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Lumity. I would like to announce that here we are creating a new full core Java series for beginner, for expert level, beginner to expert level. If you are expert level, you can regain or brush up your knowledge like that. Basically we will cover probably all Java concept. If you are new in programming, you can start your programming career watching this series. After completing this series, you will probably complete the you have probably very good knowledge of Java, and you don't need to pay anywhere to subscribe or purchase any Java series to learn. So we will cover everything, and let's talk about what we are covering here. So basically we will cover oops, like what is oops, why Java use oops, and after that after that what is inside oops, like encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. So these things we will cover like in depth. I'm talking about like what is data hiding, what is abstraction encapsulation, what is tight encapsulation class, what is a has a relationship, what is method signature, what is method overloading overriding, what is static flow control, what is instance flow control, what is constructor, what is cohesion, what is coupling, what is typecasting. In the concept of oops we will cover everything. After that we will talk about language fundamental. So what is language fundamental, what is Java language fundamental. So we will cover like what is identifier, what is reserved word, what is data type, what is literals, what is array, type of variables we are talking about. We will cover var arg method, what is main method, why java need to java need main method to run a program. Like we will cover that. After that we will cover command line argument, what is command line argument, what is Java coding standard. After covering that we will talk about array. So after that we will talk about operator and assignment. Then we will talk about flow control, selection iterator, transfer statement, and collection. We will talk about if else, if else statement. We will talk about that. In iterator we will talk about while, do while, for loop, for each loop. In transfer we will talk about lot of thing. Example I can say like break statement, what is continuous statement. And inside if we are talk about access modifier, we will talk about all modifier, access modifier Java provide, like public, protected, default, private. We will talk about that. Then we will talk about interface, what is interface, why Java introduce, no not why inside Java provide interface, what is abstraction class, what is the difference between interface and abstraction class. Then we will talk about lang package. This is the one of the most important Java package to run a Java program. And then we will talk about wrapper class. Then we will talk about string buffer, string builder. What is the difference between all these three? What is collection? Collections. We will talk about whole collection concept. Probably it is very big concept because inside collection there are a lot of things like array, what is linked list, what is double linked list, what is set, what is hash set, what is link hash set, like what is map. We will covering everything. After that we will talk about what is exception handling, try catch. I will explain later everything. Then we will covering multi-threading. What is multi-threading, what is the difference between multi-processing and multi-threading. And after that we will talk about generic, why Java introduced generic, why. And after that we will talk about Java garbage collection. After that we will talk about enum. And then we will talk about JVM architecture. After completing these we will also cover all probably most important Java 8 and 9 features, like stream. There are a lot of features we will cover, everything we will cover. So please, if you like this video, Please like and subscribe the channel, and I will announce soon when this series is coming soon. Thank you and have a great day.